Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's a bit different. Usually I don't show my face on here.
You make me blush.
But today I will, because I got a box full of Lego sets from Temu that I'm gonna open with you guys and build them with you guys. So stay tuned and let's do it.
Oh my god! Wow!
Okay, so here is my Temu haul. We got this treehouse looking thing here from Temu. We got this garden right over here. We got this little coffee shop. We got this, I don't know what this is. I forgot what that is. We'll see what that is. Then another box right here. I did open it to make sure that everything was in there. And then I really like this one. It is like a little Japanese cafe. I don't know, yeah, like a ramen noodle cafe. Then I have another mini juice shop right here. Then I got some what is this, like a donut shop almost. And then I got a fruit shop. Yeah, so I don't think you would call these Legos. They're like more like building blocks, right? Because they're from Temu. There's copyright issues and all that stuff. But yeah, this should be fun to open these and build them. So let's do it. Hey guys, so first, let me set the camera again. Oh, you can see me. So first I opened this up. I don't know, it's just parts. It's a cafe. So that's what this is. And yeah, that's pretty cool. So oh my god. It got about 114. Oh, I got cut off. Back, guys. So yeah, the Roman restaurant. That's what this next one is. Hopefully I didn't mix it. These bricks are a bit more smaller. Smaller than the other ones. Let me put the camera right here. Now you guys can see me much better. So this got... Oh, what did that? Oh, it came with lights. How do you turn them on? Oh, what the hell? It has lights in it. Damn, I didn't know that it had lights. That's actually crazy. What the heck? And then it has lots. Oh my god. That's gonna take so long. Well, next. Get to the other Lego sets or building blocks from Temu. And now we have this, the treehouse and cabin. I don't think the cabin is included in this, so I don't think this is included, but I think this is, because at the back, all you see is this. Yeah, so let's see. I haven't opened this one yet. Yeah. Let's see what's in here. That's the booklet. Yeah guys, that's only the tree. This was, I think, about, it wasn't that much. I think it was like $15. Let me know if you guys want them. I'll put the link in the comments or the bio so you guys can get them. This is what its parts look like. They're super tiny. Oh my god, look at these. They're so tiny. I don't know how I'm gonna build these. Oh, there's a little bear in it. So I guess there will be a bear. Oh yeah, the bear would go right there. Damn. Okay, let's get to our fourth Lego set. Or building block. I don't know why I keep saying Lego set. I don't want to get copyrighted. I don't want Lego to sue me.
Stop it.
Get some help.
And then so this is the next one, the garden. Here we go. What the heck? So I guess that's the base plate. Then it has these three. Yeah, that's all. And then that's just the booklet. Oh look, this has, I don't know if you guys can see right here, like these triangles. That will be the roofs. Yeah, oh. And then I also got these mini foods. Let me pull them out. Look at that. This is McDonald's fries, or I guess Temu fries. There's a croissant with a bunny. There's, I don't know what this is. That, I guess waffles. Yeah, so these are, I think, 20 or 30 food pieces that I got for the restaurants that we can put in them. All of these. Yeah, I showed that. And the biscuit, I think. That's what this is. And we also got some drinks. Miniature drinks. Let's open these up. And, oh, these are so pretty. That's like, what do you call it? Pink wine? Rose wine? Rosé. And then this. I don't know what that is supposed to be. There's like 20 of these. That. And then, you know. Oh, oops. Got some. Yeah. Let's get to the other ones. Okay, now we got 5 more things. Let's look at them. First, got this Japanese restaurant. Oh, I'm actually very excited to build this. The box is so nice. By far, this is my favorite box out of all of these. It's like nicely packed, nicely sealed, so shiny too. Let's open it up. Like pink umbrellas in there. And that. And there's like a few more. I don't see a booklet. Oh, there is a booklet. The booklet is right here. And I got some stickers in there, I think. Yeah, I got some stickers like that. And then I don't know what the plastic stuff is. Oh, those are utensils. That's a knife and a spatula. If you guys can see. And that's how it's supposed to look. Oh, this one's actually so cool. I think this will be the first one that I build with you guys. So stay tuned. I might make this a series. I don't know if I will make it as one whole video. I don't know. We'll see. Because this may take like weeks. Not that I have anything better to do with my life. But still, I might do as a series. So let me know which ones you want to see first if I do it as a series. If not, then you guys will see it in one video. And what we have next? We got this coffee shop. It's supposed to be super tiny. I think it's gonna be about like 2 inches tall, so like this much. Got stuff like that. It's very tiny, and that's like all. That's all of the stuff. And then there's a book in there. The others, there's this, the juice box. So hard to open. Oh, and guys, there's like more of these mini ones. They were like $1 or $2 each. Like all those mini things. And if you want me to get more of these and build those, let me know. I'm gonna try to make a Lego city from Temu, because actual Legos are so expensive. They're like 5 for a small Lego set. I cannot do that much. That's for the juice box. Oh, there's actually 2 in this one. And this one got 2 for the juice box. And now we have 2 things left. Oops. And this. Oh, that. This is a donut shop. That's a fruit shop. Let's open these. What is this? Oh, it's just one whole thing. Or no, 2 whole things. And then we got stickers and the book. And then we have this one too, juice box. Or not the juice box, the fruit shop. Let's open it up. Open. That is the fruit shop. I know I keep forgetting that. The fruit shop. This is the fruit shop. Hi guys. This is all of the stuff. Hopefully I didn't mix anything up. Okay guys, I'm gonna build the Japanese cafe right now. Let's open it up. Oh my god, what the heck? Why is this so big? Why is it not a book? Oh my god. Hey guys, it's 2 a.m. and I just got done building it. It took me about 5 hours, but I'm finally done. I haven't eaten anything. I am so thirsty. So tired, but I'm done. So let's take a look at it. Yeah, so I did not record it last night because I was just so tired, so sleepy. I got it done making it after like 4 hours. I just went to bed right away and then I woke up this morning, went to the gym. Now I'm back, so now let's take a look at the set. So here it is guys, the final finished product. This little doggy and the lady figure also came with it, so that was pretty nice of them to include that in the set. And it got really nice small details. There's a little birdie here, flowers, oops, the flower, the bottles, the ramen, sushi, spoons. For the price, this was really, really worth it. And my favorite part about this set is that it opens up like this. It splits into, or it doesn't split, or I guess it just rotates. And then there's more details here, right there. That's a poster right there. And then you could have it like looking like this, or you could turn it all the way like that. So that was really nice of them to include all that for the price, because this was only like $20. For $20, this was definitely worth the price, because if it was a real Lego set, this would have been about like $100 minimum. So yeah, this is how it looks, guys. And then we got some extra pieces right here. These were the extra pieces that were left over. But however, I will tell you there were some pieces that were missing. So if you look right here, I could not find a similar block of this color to put it here. And these are all the leftover pieces. So, I mean, other than like those small issues, this was like pretty fun to build. I mean, the tiles are kind of small, so it was a little bit hard. But overall, once I got it going, it started all coming together. It was super fun. And here's the back. Yeah, guys. I'm not gonna lie, that took a while to build, and so I don't think I'm gonna do the other sets in this video, just because the video will be way too long and I don't think the people are gonna watch the entire video then, right? So I'm gonna make this a series, so make sure you follow and subscribe, or wait, make sure you subscribe, because that's the same thing as follow, and hit that bell button so you know when I upload the videos. And don't worry, I'm not gonna make them like far apart. I'm not gonna upload the video today or whenever I do and then do the next one after like weeks. No, I'll do it as soon as possible. I'm unemployed, I have no life, so I'm gonna start building those right away. I'm just gonna make them a separate video. And yeah, guys, let me know if you have any questions about the sets, if you want links, or if you want to know more price details or anything. And let me know what sets you want me to build first. I'll get to those right away. And yeah, tell me if you like this set. Rate it out of 10 in the comments below. Let me know if you like it or not. So I'll keep doing these videos, and I'll buy more sets for you guys from Temu. And I'll spend my money so you don't have to waste yours on Temu. Subscribe right now.